So what is the general process of a Georgia workers' compensation claim? Hello, my name is Ty Wilson, and I am a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. And our question today is, what is the general process of a Georgia workers' compensation claim? Typically speaking, if someone is injured on the job, it's important that you immediately notify your supervisor and or boss that you've been injured on the job, one, and two, that you need medical care for your injuries. Once you get that set up, they will put together a injury report, and typically you will be in communication at some point with the adjuster, and this is if you do not hire an attorney. The adjuster will set up an appointment for you to get some medical care. If it's urgent, you can go to an urgent care clinic. As long as, the question is there a panel of physicians with the employer and so forth. If you speak with a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, they will kind of take the lead, make sure that the appointment is set up for your medical care, and start moving your case along. And the question is, where does your medical care go? Is it something that's minor and you're getting back to work quickly, less than 7 days? You won't be entitled to any any income benefits. And so if you're back at work within 3 or 4 days, then you're back at work. If the injury gets worse, you go back to the doctor. They may or may not adjust your restrictions, and they may or may not take you out of work. If you are never taken out of work for more than 7 days and you're back at work, you have what's called a medical only claim, where the insurance company will pay for the medical care as it relates to your claim, and you're not entitled to income benefits. If, on the other hand, you're taken out of work for more than 7 days, the first 7 days they don't have to pay you for initially. After 7 days, they should start your income benefits. After the income benefits, if you're paid income benefits for 21 days, 3 weeks in a row, then they will pay you for the first 7 days. And from there, you're receiving medical care and you're receiving the workers' compensation checks. Typically speaking, that will go on until you get better or you reach what is called maximum medical improvement, where the doctor believes that they cannot improve you medically at any more at that point in time. They will release you from care. They will give you an impairment rating, which could provide you with a permanent partial disability benefit or payment as well. Once that happens, the question is, are you able to get back to work or not? If you're able to get back to work, they'll pay you out the permanent impairment rating weekly, and then you're back at work like it never happened. If you're not able to return back to work for whatever reason, then there is a possibility that the workers' compensation insurance adjuster may or may not want to settle the claim. It just depends on where you are in the process. That's the general process of a workers' compensation claim if you're receiving income benefits or if you're just a medical only claim. If you have specific questions, always recommended you speak with a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. The consultations are free, so you have nothing to lose, and you can find out more information quickly in a phone call, especially with the specifics of your particular claim. We hope that that's answered your question, and we'll see you on the next video.